Birds. We lost 2 propellers.
I'll contact ATC. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Goon 158 bird strike.
We are gliding due to loss of thrust.
We agree. Shore A P runway 09L is ready. Do you want to landing?
I think we can't, we loss of thrust. I think we need to water landing.
Okay. If you want to do that, I will send emergency boat and emergency helicopter immediately.
Thank you.
This is your captain speaking. We are going to make a water landing. Flight attendants, make sure all passengers are wearing a life vest.
Pull up.
All the passengers, evacuate immediately.
Casualty count, water landing Goon Air ATR-42, bird strike. Fatalities, 0. Survivors, 50. Thank you for watching. This is just a simulation event.